Hello everybody, so today since I take off my shoes, let's continue driving barefoot today. So this is my feet and my nail colors. So I like to show you my nail colors. I think it's more nice when I try barefoot, and well, I already tried with this shoes, so for now I'm going to drive barefoot. So I forgot to bring other heels, but next time of course I'm gonna drive with heels. So for now, fasten your seatbelt, and let's go. Before we make a turn, we have to look first.